All right, it's lunchtime, which means it's time for battle. It is turn 6 for Japan. And I did a little bit of prep last night. I've got the battles set up for each side. But first, let me orient you to the other combat maneuvers. I have a tank moving into Yakut and Yenisei. In Suyan, I have a tank, an infantry, and that's a 300 there. I have 6 mechs going in there. I have 1 infantry moving into Singhai. And then the troops from Szechuan, -2 artillery, are moving in to Sikeng. I am, of course, moving these. There's 2 here, and I put this on here just so I know that I have 2 of these tactical bombers from Kwai Chao. They're going to have 0 movement afterwards. They will go 1, 2 into Shan State, 3 into 37, and 4 into 42, and land on the aircraft carriers. The bomber will have 3 movement after the combat, so 1, 2, 3, easy. The Philippines, the land fighters will have 5 movement, 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5. They can land anywhere in here, along with anything that was carrier based. And then of course, all the ships minus the transport are moving to 42. We'll go top to, purchases. Also in purchases, I have 4 infantry, 4 tanks, 2 artillery, 3 mechanized infantry, 1 fighter, and 1 destroyer, and I spent 71 on those. Okay, so I gotta go quick here. All right, so this battle, I'm not really gonna lay it out. It's basically 7 infantry and a tank versus 1 infantry. And so, let's see. That's it. All right, okay, there we go. 7 infantry and a tank versus 1 infantry. So that will be the Russian. This will be the Allies. Let me grab my shooter. Okay. This battle right there, the green is the Russian. The Russian wins. I will continue the combat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, still 6. Tank. Russian. Okay, well, that could have gone better. I lose yet 1 more. But I take it. Oh, shoot. Would have liked to have lost nothing, but isn't that always the case? Okay, let me get these dice out of the way. Right here in Singhang, I have 4 regular infantry and 2 mech, and so I'm going to pair 1 of them up with artillery, so it'll be 5 1s, 2 2s, and a 3. So it's going to look like this: 5 1s, 2 2s, and a 3 versus the Russian. I'll have to roll these separately since we have 2s on both sides. Okay, Japanese, just enough. Got 1. And the Russian. All right. Win some, lose some. I think I won that one, lost the other. Everybody, whoop, that artillery, that's a mechanized infantry. Try to keep my chip straight. Okay, that's that. And then we go on to the main event. The Japanese. The carriers are non-combatants. They will just take hits. My subs my destroyers, my fighters, and all of my, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I got all that right. 6 4s for the Allies. 2 subs, defended 1, destroyers at 2, carriers at 4 carriers at 2, tactical bombers at 3, and 1 cruiser at 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fighters defending at 4, and 2 battleships at 4. One of the battleships, of course, damaged after he took a hit from my destroyer last turn. And here we go. Shot out. Ooh. I'm expecting 10, but I might have gotten a few more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ooh. Ooh, 12. I got my damage tracker here. Let's go 12, 6, and 6. That's 12 damage. Ouch. Let's save these over here for convenience. All right. There's American Vengeance. Well, that was pretty good. That's good American Vengeance right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think we both did better than average. Wow. Yikes. All right. 12 and 11. So on this side, our first will be a damage to a battleship. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then 11, 12. So that'll come off the board. Okay, and to make it simple, that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 deuces that are coming out of the pool. 5 deuces, and also the 2 aces. And I will add the dice back into the, get these out of the way. All right, I got to lose 11. Well, for starters, I'm going to lose these 6. Let's see, and then I got to lose 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, no. Try it again. That'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so damage the battleship. 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. I guess it makes sense to keep those. You know what? I'm gonna swap that around. I'm gonna do this. Keep 2. Okay, let me recount that again. Okay, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Damage battleship. That's 11 damage for the U.S. Okay, just to recheck my numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 damage for the US. And reset my defense. I have all my 3s, and I have all my 4s. Okay. Still a lot of damage there. Okay, the Japanese lost 1, 2, 3, 4 green dice. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4 dice are coming out of the Japanese pile. So it will be sub destroyer, 7. See, 7, 5, 6, 7 fighters, and then 6 4s again. I'll go ahead and prepare their cup. Okay. There are no destroyers left, so my subs will get 2 shots. 2 shots. So here's my subs. Okay. Let's roll those separately. 1 hit. So 1 sub hit, probably, which will, I assume you're going to lose that. So that actually happens right away. And we lose a 3 of the defender's pile. Okay, that goes over there. I'm going to take that back. You're not going to lose a 3. You're going to keep that cruiser. You're going to lose a carrier. Of course you will. That was done. Okay. All right. So these get put off to the side. And Japanese, their wrath. Ooh, a lot. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hits. Okay, so it will be 6 and 9 hits versus them. Okay. Japanese dice go off to the side. And there's a lot of blue and red in there. America strikes back. Ooh, boy, they didn't miss much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ouch. Okay. 6, 7, 8. Okay. American casualties first. Let's see if they have that much. Obviously 1 cruiser. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Leaves them with this right here. Okay, on the Japanese side, I have to lose 8. Well, let's see. Let me figure this out. The blues hit 1. All the reds hit, so I can lose my destroyers for sure. So that's 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ugh. Okay. I'm going to get all these dice out of the way. It's easy to do the dice now. The Americans will have 3 left in the 4 range. The Japanese will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 3s, 3 4s. Okay, as simple as that. All right, Japanese. That is enough. 4 hits. And then how many planes more the Americans take out? 1 more. Easy peasy. Let's go ahead and take that one out. Okay. All right. Transports are eliminated, and the entire American fleet goes to the bottom of the ocean. The Japanese fleet is at the bottom of the ocean. We are left with 4 regular fighters and 2 tacticals. Yeah. Kind of figured that's what was going to happen. I was just going to be left with a bunch of planes. And so I am going to stop it there and then upload this, and then I will do my non-combat after that. So, yeah, I did get all the combats done. All right, we'll have the non-combat shortly, hopefully.